Your neighbor spends $40 a month on plant food. You're about to spend $1 and beat every single result they get. Stick around, because by the end of this video, your garden is going to look completely different. This isn't a myth. This isn't some random internet rumor. This is a real trick that gardeners have used for generations, and most people have completely forgotten about it. Today, I'm showing you something that makes plants explode with new growth. It also happens to wipe out the pests that are quietly destroying your garden right now. The same clove sitting in your kitchen drawer. Let's get into why your plants are struggling in the first place. Here's the painful truth nobody tells you. Your plants are under attack every single day. Aphids, spider mites, fungus gnats, they're all feeding on your plants while you sleep. You water them. You give them sunlight. You even buy expensive fertilizer. And still, the leaves turn yellow. The stems get weak. The growth just stops. Most people blame the soil. Some blame the weather. But the real problem is invisible pests slowly draining the plant's energy. And here's the part that really stings. Big garden brands know this. They sell you pesticide sprays for $15, $20, even $30 a bottle. Bottles that barely last a month. You keep buying, keep spraying, and the bugs keep coming back. It feels like a never-ending money pit. Now let's talk about how this trick survived for so long. Amish farming communities have used garlic-based sprays on crops for over 100 years. No chemical companies, no fancy branding, just simple kitchen ingredients that actually work. They passed this knowledge down through families, not through commercials, because there was no profit in it for anyone but the farmer. When big agriculture companies showed up, homemade remedies like this got pushed aside. Not because they stopped working, because you can't put a patent on a garlic clove. All right, here it is. The big reveal. All you need is garlic, water, and a spray bottle. That's it. You crush a few cloves, steep them in water, strain it, and spray it directly on your plants. Within days, pests start disappearing. Within weeks, your plants push out fresh, vibrant growth like they've been unlocked. I know it sounds too simple, but simple doesn't mean weak. Let's break down why this actually works. Garlic contains a compound called allicin. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. It has strong natural insect-repelling properties. Bugs hate the smell. Their sensory systems get overwhelmed, and they avoid the area completely. That means aphids, mites, and beetles stay away from your plants. No pests feeding on the leaves means all that energy goes straight into new growth. There's also a bonus effect. Garlic has natural antifungal properties. That helps protect your plants from mold and root rot too. So you're not just repelling bugs. You're also giving your plant a healthier environment to grow in. Now let's talk about why you've probably never heard this before. Pesticide companies make billions every single year. Billions. A homemade spray that costs about $1 threatens that entire business model. Think about it. If everyone learned this trick, sales of expensive sprays would drop overnight. That's not good for shareholders. So instead of teaching you simple solutions, they market fear. They tell you that only professional-grade chemicals can save your garden. They want you dependent, not educated. This video is about giving that power back to you. Let's get into what you'll need. Here's your shopping list, and it's short. 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, about 50 cents. 1 spray bottle, if you don't already have one, about $2. Water, completely free from your tap. Optional, 1 teaspoon of mild dish soap to help it stick to leaves. That's the entire setup. Total cost, roughly $1 if you already own a spray bottle. Now let's walk through exactly how to make it. Step 1. Take 3 to 4 garlic cloves and crush them. You can use a garlic press or the flat side of a knife. The more crushed, the more allicin gets released. Step 2. Add the crushed garlic to 2 cups of water. Step 3. Let it sit for 24 hours. This is important. The longer it steeps, the stronger the spray becomes. Step 4. Strain out the garlic pieces using a cloth or fine strainer. You want just the liquid. Step 5. Pour the liquid into your spray bottle. Step 6. Add a few drops of dish soap and shake gently. This helps the spray stick to leaves instead of sliding right off. Step 7. Spray your plants early in the morning or late in the evening. Avoid spraying in direct, harsh sunlight. That can sometimes cause leaf burn. Focus on the undersides of leaves. That's where pests love to hide. Step 8. Repeat this every 5 to 7 days. Consistency is what makes this trick actually work. One spray won't fix months of pest damage, but a few weeks of consistent spraying can completely transform your garden. Now let's talk results. What can you actually expect? Within the first 3 to 5 days, you should notice fewer bugs on your leaves. Within 1 to 2 weeks, new leaf growth often starts looking greener and fuller. By the 3 to 4 week mark, many gardeners report visibly thicker stems and faster growth overall. This isn't an overnight miracle. It's a steady, natural boost that works with your plant instead of against it. Think of it like this. You're removing the enemy that was stealing your plant's energy. Once that enemy is gone, the plant naturally puts that energy into growing bigger and stronger. That's the real secret. It's not magic. It's just smart, simple science. Now, let's be honest for a second. I'm not going to oversell this to you. Garlic spray is not a miracle cure for every single plant problem. If your plant has a severe fungal infection, this spray alone may not fully fix it. If your soil lacks nutrients, you'll still need proper fertilizer too. This trick works best as prevention and pest control, not as a total replacement for good plant care. Also, always do a small test spray on one leaf first. Some very sensitive plants, like certain herbs, can react differently. Wait 24 hours and check for any damage before spraying the whole plant. And please, never spray on extremely hot, sunny afternoons. That combination can sometimes scorch delicate leaves. Use common sense, and this trick will serve you well for years. Now here's the fun part. Once you start doing this, you'll notice something interesting. Your garden will start smelling faintly like garlic for a short while. That's actually a good sign. It means the pests can smell it too, and they're staying far away. Some gardeners even say their plants seem to wake up after the first few sprays. Leaves perk up. Color gets deeper. New shoots appear where there used to be nothing. It's honestly satisfying to watch. If you try this, I want you to comment below and tell me how your plants respond. I read every single comment, and I love seeing your before and after stories. If this video helped you, hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel grow, and it helps more people find these simple, honest fixes. And if you haven't already, subscribe to $2 Fix. We post real, tested, budget-friendly hacks every single week. No fluff, no fake promises, just things that actually work. Before you go, here's a quick bonus tip. Save your garlic spray in the fridge. It stays effective for about 1 week when refrigerated. Just shake it well before each use, since natural ingredients can settle. And if you really want to level up your garden game, stick around for next week's video. I'm going to show you a $2 trick using eggshells that can boost flowering plants like nothing you've tried before. It's simple, it's cheap, and it works with what you already have at home. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. Thank you for watching. Now go grab that garlic, and let's give your plants the comeback they deserve. I'll see you in the next video.